On April 25, 2026, Boeing and the U.S. Navy announced the first test flight of a production representative MQ-25 Stingray, marking a key milestone in the Navy's unmanned carrier aviation program. The aircraft took off at 10:49 a.m. Central Daylight Time from Mid-America St. Louis Airport in Mascoutah, Illinois, and flew for approximately 2 hours before landing safely. According to the U.S. Navy, the mission demonstrated the MQ-25's ability to autonomously taxi, take off, fly, and land, while also responding to commands from a ground control station. During the test, both Boeing personnel and Navy air vehicle pilots controlled the aircraft using the Unmanned Carrier Aviation Mission Control System, MD-5, which integrates Lockheed Martin's MDCX system. The MQ-25 was accompanied by a company-owned TA-4J Skyhawk and a U.S. Navy UC-12M Huron acting as chase aircraft. It also carried a Cobham aerial refueling pod, similar to those used on FA-18 aircraft, designed to enable future fuel transfer operations. The MQ-25 is intended to serve as the Navy's first carrier-based unmanned aerial refueling aircraft with the capability to deliver approximately 14,000 to 16,000 pounds of fuel at ranges up to 500 nautical miles, according to a Navy report to Congress. Officials said the flight followed a predetermined mission plan and validated basic flight controls, engine performance, and handling characteristics. The MQ-25 program, first awarded under an $805 million contract in 2018, will continue expanded flight testing ahead of carrier qualification trials in the coming years.